Welcome to today's video. If you need to log out of your Roblox account and want to know how to do it quickly and easily, you're in the right place. Whether you're on a shared device or simply want to secure your account, logging out is a simple process. Let me walk you through the steps. Step 1. First, launch the Roblox app on your Android device. Open the app and make sure you're logged in to the account you want to sign out of. Step 2. Next, tap on the three dots or the menu icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. This is where all the options to manage your account are located. Step 3. Scroll down through the menu until you see the option that says Log Out. Tap on it to begin the process of signing out of your current Roblox account. Step 4. Finally, confirm your action when prompted. Once you confirm, you will be logged out of your account and the app will return to the login screen. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of your Roblox account. It's a quick process, but it's always a good idea to log out when you're done, especially if you're on a shared or public device. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.